Well, the oregano is looking fluffy this morning. It is time to do some trimming. Good morning. It's Kayla in the garden. This morning I am harvesting some oregano out of my garden. This is probably one of my favorite times of day. It's 7 a.m. and it's just me and the birds. Occasional train in the background. Kids are still asleep. Yay. There's no sunshine yet in my garden. Yay. Well, it's coming. You can see it right there. I love to harvest my herbs whenever I think about it. I am not a stickler in regards to time of day. Some people say morning, some people say in the afternoon. You know what? If I remember to do it, hallelujah. So all I'm doing here is kind of getting a vision of what it might be like to be a sheep farmer with shearing the sheep. My oregano was looking a little puffy, so I decided it was about time to shear them down. And you just want to take off about half to a third of the plant. You're looking for just to knock them back a little bit. And what I'll be doing then is taking these little branches in and I'll be putting them into my dehydrator and dehydrating them for about 10 to 12 hours today, about 100 or 120 degrees. We don't want to go any higher than 120 degrees with herbs. It'll definitely not be as flavorful as what it could be at a lower temperature. If you don't have a dehydrator, that's okay. You can take bundles, oh, little spider. Take little bundles of herbs and tie them up and hang them up somewhere. It'll take a little bit longer, of course, but it'll still get the job done, totally fine. And then you have fresh herbs, or not fresh anymore at that point. And then you have wonderful herbs out of your garden that you can use in any Italian dish for sure, of course. Any Mexican dish, if you like to cook Greek food. Oregano is also fantastic for that. Gosh, I like putting oregano on our eggs in any kind of Mexican food that we cook around here. All sorts of things. I mean, to me, oregano and basil are must-haves in the garden. Hope that gives you some idea of how to handle herbs in the garden, and have an awesome day and stay cool today.